Today, I want to talk about Gemini Notebook and their new feature that allows you to sort your sources within a notebook. So to get to this page, it's still under the old name, so it's notebooklm.google.com. And then you'll have to log into a Google account if you're not logged in somewhere else. You get to this page. And the feature that we're talking about requires you to be in a notebook. So if you don't have a notebook, then you can create a new one. If you have one already, you can go into it. I will save you the time of watching me upload a bunch of sources. So let me find one that has a lot of sources. This one has a lot. Okay, so if this is your first time in here, you would add sources here, and then this will bring up this screen, and then you can upload files from your computer, you can put in websites from your Google Drive, etc. And then eventually you'll have sources down here. If you only have a couple sources, you probably won't care about this, but once you start getting a lot of sources like this, it starts getting just kind of, it can get chaotic. So what they've added is this little icon right here, and this allows you to sort your sources. And you have three options. You can do it by recency. So if you click on recent, this will be in the order that you added them. So this is the most recent one that we added, and then second most recent, etc. You can sort by title. So this will be alphabetical. So now this is A, those B's, C's, etc. And then you can also sort by type. So if I sort here, now you see these are all docs, these are all sites, etc. And it's only three options. It's a pretty straightforward feature, but again, it's been, if you've used NotebookLM / Google Notebook and you've had notebooks with more than, I don't know, 10, 15 sources, you've probably wished that you could have something like this. From what I can see, I don't think I can. Yeah, like I don't have the option to just click on a source and then drag it. Oops. Let me see. Yeah, because even if I click on the menu to the right here, I can only remove it or rename it. So my only options to sort are recent, title, and type. But that is better than nothing, so I'll take it. But again, it's a pretty straightforward feature. So I mean, just going through the whole thing again, notebooklm.google.com. Get to this page, create a notebook or go into an existing one. There's this little icon right here, and you can sort your sources by either how recently you've added it, by title, alphabetically by title, or by type. And that's it. So, I mean, if you want to change how you have it, I guess you can put it to one of the other methods in there, but that's really all there is to the feature. So if this has been something that's kind of been giving you a headache for a while, you do have some options now. So hopefully that was useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.